500 rupees.
You're crazy.
Amber Fort.
Amber Fort, up and down.
Up and down is 2 kilometers.
1 hour.
We can walk.
1 hour.
For that, we can walk.
Just 500 for 1 fort.
You can make a deal with one of these guys here.
Yeah. So we're trying to get to the Amber Fort. Trying to book one of these rickshaws.
So,
ये नहीं जाता, ये नहीं
Negotiating.
जाता, खाली जीप ही जाता है।
how
Only
much for
jeeps?
the fort?
अरे आम्बे फोर्ट जाओ ले।
Oh, I'm talking to you.
जी के लिए पूछ रहे थे, ये जाओ से
I didn't talk to him. How much?
He's like, this won't go.
It
I
won't
won't
go?
take this.
जीप।
Only jeeps. And we don't. Jeeps are too much.
So I want to go to the forts.
Sarif, all of them. All of them.
Oh,
Amber,
this one?
Nahagar, Jaigar.
One,
For 500?
yes, up
You're
and down.
crazy.
I think we could just walk. We're right here. I mean, look at that. We're right at the entrance. And they want to get 500 for just to go up this fort, which is like a 1 kilometer. We don't want jeep.
We don't want jeep. There's too much money. How much if you drive us the rest of the afternoon?
Amber Fort, Nahagar, Jaigar Fort.
How much? How much? To go to all of them? 250 for all of them?
सब में जाना है हमें. Amber Fort, Nahagar. So he's saying
इसमें नहीं जाता, जीप जाता है।
they're saying that you can only take a jeep up there, not any of the other tuk-tuks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. So what kind of deal are you going to make me? How much?
अम्बे के 500,
हमें सब में जाना है. उधर भी जाना है.
यहाँ छोड़ते हैं, फिर ऑटो जाता है।
3 palace 1500 rupees, 1500 rupees 3 palace. 1 palace 500 rupees.
Dude, I think we can get a scooter. That'll be much better.
Get a scooter cheaper.
Jeep, yes. Okay. Open jeep.
Open jeep.
Open jeep.
How much? About
अभी
1,500.
आगे बढ़ा लो तुम।
They want 1,500 rupees for 3 forts. It's just ridiculous. I mean, we can get a scooter for like 300.
This auto only 500 rupees going come back jeep. Okay. 500. Get a food.
We get something like this.
Let's go get a scooter.
Trying to get ripped off. We don't want to get ripped off here. Too much money. Dude, that's ridiculous. 1,500. I mean, they want 500 just to go up here. It's just like, no, we don't want jeep. No. No jeep.
Oh, it's
That's what we said no to. That's crazy. So we decided to get scooters because they were way cheaper than any of the Jeeps or Uber or anything else. Which is, the crazy thing is that just to go up to this fort, which is like a kilometer, they want 500 bucks just to go up and back. So yeah, we're gonna get a scooter and just go around everywhere. Hello! Kachori.
Kachori, very good, delicious kachori.
Delicious kachori.
This hot kachori, fresh kachori, sir.
Fresh kachori.
Fresh. This onion kachori, big size and small size dal.
How much for a
kachori.
samosa?
This one 15. Each
15
one.
rupees each?
Each.
I'll have 2 of those.
2 samosas.
What do you want?
Sit here. Sit.
what is this?
This
Kachori.
pulse kachori.
What is that?
Each one.
It's
one
like an
samosa,
Indian
one kachori,
thing.
Different.
It
Okay.
has masala inside of it, and you eat it with.
Okay. Different. One kachori, one samosa.
I want 2 samosas.
For you.
Give me 2 samosas too.
So 4 samosas. That's 30, 60 bucks.
And then what is the
And-
other shit up on top?
Sit here, sir.
That is, I don't know what that's called, but that's some sort of a snack. If you want to try it.
And what's this right here?
Huh? What is that?
Chili?
Chili pakoda.
Chili pakora.
Inside
What is,
potato.
what's inside? Inside potato and
Potato,
chili?
potato.
It's gonna potato, he says, but it doesn't look like potato. Chili pakora.
Give me one of those.
1 chili pakora. And 1 water.
One water.
Yes. Do you want one more? Or
Yeah. What is the fizz?
fizz is like an apple drink.
Apple fizz.
It's pretty good. If
It
you
is?
like apple, then it's really good. It's apple juice.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna have samosas. Never drink this water. unless you want.
Especially for me.
Yeah. I mean, I think even I would get sick drinking that water, so I wouldn't dare. Let's try out these samosas, 15 rupee samosas. So like the red one, which is a sweet sauce. One more.
I was
Uno
gonna
mas.
get a fizz.
Fizz? Fizz in it. Fizz. Alright. Here's your first samosa of your life.
Yeah.
So let's do a review, see what you think.
So, take
Dip it in the yellow sauce, and this is sweet sauce. What do you think?
It's okay. Like, rig up another piece.
Let me try. They're pretty cold. They're supposed to be warm. Cold samosas. Dip it in the red sauce. No bueno.
No?
I've had better. No. This is not what it's supposed to taste like. I mean, it's cold. It's supposed to be warm, but
Let's have them heat it up.
here's a quick tip for you if you're traveling in India. If you want to get water, look for Aquafina's, one of the real ones, and how you can spot one of the fake ones is like this. Like the Aqua, you could tell kind of by the label. And yeah, don't get one of these. Just go for Aquafina or Bisleri or one of the other ones. Yeah, just get them from a decent looking shop and you should be fine. But yeah, don't get the crappy looking label ones. They're gonna probably get you sick. Bailey's another one, you can see. Bailey's another reliable water company. So yeah, just be careful, don't get sick. Look at this elephant. Holy shit. It's gonna knock over our scooter. Jesus. Look at the size of that thing. God damn. You can actually take one of these elephants all the way up to the fort if you want. If you want to feel like a king, like people used to travel back in the day. So.